Hey, this is my brand spanking new, never started Tanaka 14-inch top handle saw. Just a homeowner, do some light climbing and needed something for tree work, so I chose this over spending a lot more money on a Stihl or a Husqvarna. The saw is only like $220 on Amazon shipped, and there were some good reviews, so I thought I'd give it a try. So fill it up with bar oil and 89 gas mixed with 2-cycle oil. So this is my very first time starting it. You're supposed to pump the priming bulb 10 times. Set the choke. Push the on switch. Make sure the brake is engaged. Wait till you hear it start. Then take off the choke and start it up. Not bad for the very first time.